What's going on, people? We're back with another video on the EK Civic build. Today we're going to be installing the DORYOKU rear bumper bar. I'm also trying something new with the video format, whereas I'm recording the videos now and adding voiceover after. So let me know if that sounds better or not. Here we are now unwrapping the bar. His stuff comes really well packaged. I have his front bar. I never did a video on it though, and I know I needed to get his rear bar for my build. Now, the process of removing the old bar is extremely straightforward. It's just a couple 17mm bolts holding it in. If you have any interior, you just lift that out of the way. If your bumper's on, it's just a couple clips. Very straightforward. His bar went on extremely easily, better than the OEM one did when I repainted the car. I didn't have to fight it or anything. In the spirit of making everything new again, we're going to be replacing these rear cabin vents with OEM ones. The part number is right here. There you go. These are very easy to change, and it's possible that you can leak water through them, so if you ever have your bumper off and they look old, just change them. Very easy. And here we are getting ready to put the bumper on for good. Now that everything in the back of the car is brand new and refreshed, just giving it a quick wipe down. And as you can see, the bumper fits perfectly with his bar. The only reason we have a little sag on the front corners is because I don't have the screws in that go inside the wheel well. Otherwise, the bar fits perfectly flush to the bumper cover, and you're saving weight, so it's a win-win.